This is Yucee Food Empire, and you are all welcome. The hot temperature these days is not my friend at all. So one of the ways I'm handling this season is by making some fresh juices to cool off with. And I want to share with you guys how I make my pineapple juice. The main ingredients here are pineapple and ginger, as the name implies. But I'm adding some tangerine for a nice citrus taste and more nutrition. Talking about nutrition, fresh pineapple is particularly rich in manganese, copper, vitamin B6, vitamin B1, and vitamin C, and these nutrients play an important role in our body. Pineapple juice suppresses inflammation, boosts immunity, and helps in digestion. The ginger provides some extra immune and detoxifying benefits, while tangerine is rich in folates, strengthens the bone, and improves digestion. I'm just peeling the pineapple. I'm done peeling the pineapple, and I'll go ahead to cut them into chunks like this. But you can cut them into smaller pieces depending on the size of your processor. I'll go in with the pineapple chunks, tangerine, ginger, and some ice. Feel free to adjust the ingredients to your liking. The best thing about homemade juice recipes is their versatility. Prefer it sweet? Add a little sweetener. That's just it. Cover and blend on a high speed. If your blender needs a little help to blend the pineapple, I recommend adding half cup of water to the blender for easy blending. I'm transferring in a sieve to drain the juice. I'm using a spoon to make it easy to get all the juice out. Here is the pulp. There's no reason to waste lots of ingredients while making pineapple juice, so I'm keeping the pulp to be consumed later. So if you don't mind it pulpy, then enjoy as it is, otherwise strain the mixture. It's time for us to enjoy the juice. This juice is nothing short of nourishing. My husband finished 2 cups right away. It was so tasty. We've come to the end of today's video, but before you go, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell, and if you love it as much as I know you will, share with your friends. Bye.